Your existing phone system may have served you well, but will it help take your business to the next level? Or is it simply putting your business on hold? Upgrading to a modern cloud communication solution will help you keep up with changing workplace environments, customer expectations, and technology advancements, while keeping your costs in check. With our unified communications platform that brings together a business phone system, video conferencing, chat, business texting, file management, contact center, and much more. All in one versatile, highly reliable, secure, mobile, easy-to-use service, and let your team connect how they want, where they want, and when they want. Moving to the cloud is one of the easiest and quickest ways businesses can cut costs while improving performance. Here's how. You may think your existing phone system is free because it's paid off, but consider ongoing phone line charges, long-distance fees, maintenance, parts and labor costs. All this is anything but free. With our unified communications platform, you get one low per-user cost that includes phones, long-distance, collaboration services, and you keep your existing phone numbers. There are no separate maintenance, upgrade, or support costs, and the expense of keeping a separate company cell phone is gone. While traditional phone systems depreciate over time, UC Solutions constantly appreciates and evolves with the latest cloud innovations, like AI features and business analytics, to maximize your productivity and performance. Software upgrades are automatic, ensuring that your communication system is always up to date with the latest technology. Traditional phone systems are voice only and office only, leaving you with limited flexibility, stuck in one location. And they aren't designed to deliver better customer experiences. Our unified communications platform enables your customers to communicate with your business in multiple ways, including text, helping to ensure customer interactions are responsive and customer expectations are met. And with our UC platform, the entire setup process takes hours, not weeks. Phones simply plug into your existing internet connection or connect to your Wi-Fi. Apps are available for Macs, PCs, and mobile phones. And adding or changing users is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. It's as simple as that. Don't let your existing phone system continue to put your business on hold. Our unified communications platform will help you communicate, collaborate, and take care of customers better from wherever